Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to use liquify filter tool to make this obese guy look like slim and kind of in proper shape. So let's get started. We'll just first rename the layer. So let's name it anything. Let's name it layer 0, doesn't matter. Now let's convert it for smart objects. So convert it to smart object. We got the thumbnail over here. Now to get started, go to filter and we have this option called liquify. Click on liquify. It takes some time and now a second window appears. So this is the original window and this is your liquify window. So in liquify you get all these tools which are forward warp tool, reconstruct tool, smooth tool and all these other tools, and we get the controls of those tools over here. So right now we are going to use the forward warp tool and let's set the size to 150. Density is 50, pressure is 100. You can always just experiment around with these settings and see what works the best for your image. The particular setting 150 is kind of too much, so I'll make it 100, the default value. So I've made it 100 and now I'll just slowly drag my mouse and try to push this part inside. Part by part, little. It takes time. It takes a lot of time, but then it's like a slow and a subtle process. So you have to follow the speed. If you speed it too much, it doesn't look that good and it clearly looks edited. So for giving it a professional look, so I'll just prefer that do it slowly until you get the final result just as you wished for. So as you can see, I have started pushing this belly slowly inside. The bigger the brush size, it's easier to kind of push the belly inside, because if the brush is too small you have to do it continuously and you don't get the proper level just the way you wished it to be. So I prefer a big brush. Push it. I'll just zoom into the picture and reduce the size around 50 and again increase the size to 100. You can always just use this preview tab to just see the before and after of the image. So if I uncheck this, this is what the image was earlier and now we have made it to look like this. We can see some bulges over here, so we'll have to adjust them even more just to give that sort of even finish. And I guess that is it. This will work for now. And yeah, it looks edited, but then that's all. Like, that's all we can do for now. The rest things, there are other tools which I will let you know in the upcoming tutorials, that is healing for this folds and other different tools in this column as well. So we are going to study those different tools in the upcoming tutorials, but for now I'll just speed up this process and let you know the final result. So well, this is our image. And as you can see, if we just turn off the preview, this was the original image, and that's how it looks right now. So yes, you might find some problems in the image, like this fold over here and this intersection over here. Is just because we have used this single tool. We have other options as well to heal the image and make it look even better. But right now in this tutorial, we are not going to practice that. So let's just click on OK and finish the editing. And we have this smart filter, so we can just turn off the liquify layer and check if we just are missing on something. So well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.